Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to replace your Acura MDX rear wiper. First, gather your new wiper blade and a soft cloth. It's important to ensure your vehicle is completely turned off, with the ignition off, before you begin. Also, place a towel or soft cloth on the rear window to protect the glass from any accidental scratches during the process. This simple preparation helps ensure a smooth replacement. Now, let's remove the old wiper blade. Gently lift the wiper arm away from the rear window until it stands upright and locks into position. Next, look for a small tab or button located on the wiper blade assembly where it connects to the arm. Press this tab or button, then carefully slide the old wiper blade straight off the arm. It should detach with minimal effort. With the old blade removed, it's time to install the new one. Take your new wiper blade and align its connector with the hook on the wiper arm. Carefully slide the new blade onto the arm until you hear a distinct click, indicating it's securely locked in place. Once the new blade is attached, gently lower the entire wiper arm back down onto the rear window, ensuring it rests properly. To complete the process, turn on your vehicle and activate the rear wiper function to test the new blade. Observe its movement to ensure it makes full contact with the window and wipes smoothly without streaking or chattering. This confirms a successful installation. For more helpful tips and to find great deals, including a link for the Owala water bottle, check the description below this video. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.